These tips will revolutionize your life. Tight knot? Do this. Easy. Wow, smart. Put a drinking glass in the center. A DIY double-layer cooker. Here's how to apply the plaster correctly. Perfect. A useful tip for winter. The sheet will trap the hot air and the clothes will dry out faster. What a mess! Place wooden beads between the bowls. A DIY turntable. Handy. Is the shirt still wet? Here's a foolproof, fast-drying method. Very useful. Here's a hygienic way to wear shoes without socks. A great idea! Before you hang up your wet sweater, remove excess water like this.